Hi, I'm Brandon Phillips, co-founder of We Buy PNW Homes. And if you're on this site right now, you could be going through something stressful. And I just want you to know, you're in the right place. My family has been involved in real estate since 1994 in Washington State. I've lived here my whole life. And in 2010, I started this company because I saw several homeowners stuck in situations where the traditional process of selling a home didn't serve them. There would be longer timelines, costly repairs, realtor commissions, and none of that really helped the people that needed to sell their house fast. So here's what we do differently. We buy a house with cash, as is. There's no commissions, no repairs, no fees, no cleaning. You can even leave behind anything that you don't want. Just leave it in the house, I'll take care of it. We can make you an offer within 24 hours, close in 7 days, or on a timeline of your choosing. You stay in control. It's something we offer that other buyers can't, is we will give you a $20,000 cash advance for certain homes that qualify. It doesn't matter what condition the home is in or what situation that brought you here. Foreclosure, divorce, an inherited property, major repairs, moving out of state, it doesn't matter. We'll buy all of it anywhere in Washington State. Vancouver, Seattle, Olympia, Puyallup, Tacoma, Bellingham, Spokane. If you're in Washington State, we can help. We're not a big corporation. We're a local family business who genuinely care about helping people in hard situations get through them stress-free. If you want to see what a cash offer looks like, fill out your information on this page or give us a call. And here's what will happen. We'll schedule a visit with you, make you a no obligation cash offer within 24 hours, and if it works for you, we'll close on your timeline. There's no obligation and there's no cost to you. Thanks for stopping by. We would love to help.